Hi all, I'm Khushi Gautam. Welcome back to Cloudonology. A number of sales-oriented businesses face a common issue of identifying and generating accurate sales code and eliminating errors. Despite being the most common problem, many sales leaders don't know how to address it effectively. This is where CPQ comes into action. Hey everyone, in this video, we are going to share with you a glimpse of what is CPQ, why do people use CPQ software, and what are the key benefits of Salesforce CPQ. CPQ stands for Configure, Price and Quote. It is an extension of CRM platform to create a standardized sales process for your organization. It makes an overall sales process easier, faster and more organized. So, you may ask this question as to why are we using it? Configure Price Quote is a powerful user-friendly sales tool that shortens the sales process. It also automates business process management to increase productivity and efficiency level of sales team. So if your sales representatives are spending most of their time on repetitive and manual tasks, maybe it's time to invest in CPQ software and quote to cash solution and like Salesforce CPQ for your business. CPQ makes life easier for sales representatives. It helps business configure product price, order quickly, and save valuable time with fast and accurate quotes. It automates a highly complex sales process to increase the productivity and efficiency level of sales team. Now let's discuss how CPQ benefits your sales team and have a close look at some of the most amazing benefits of Salesforce CPQ. When you say improve accuracy and boost sales performance, it means streamlining and automating a comprehensive pricing strategy and execution lifecycle and solving the typical business challenges lying ahead. Now let's talk about the next point, quickly create quotes and proposals. Salesforce CPQ provides excellent template that enables you to integrate your sales process with various applications and software. Here comes our third benefit, that is increasing deal size, upsell and cross-sell. Salesforce CPQ tracks your customer preferences and suggests the right mix of product and services. Salesforce CPQ eliminates errors in pricing and contracts. It takes you through the step-by-step process and trains the sales representatives throughout the process. This tool also houses all the information about policy and price change and thus improving accuracy. Salesforce simplifies and optimizes the selling process with the help of guided selling. Guided selling is an exciting feature that allows sales representatives to enter the information gathered from the prospects into a tool and generate optimal product package based on unique needs that elaborates on CPQ guide selling benefits. Are you wondering whether Salesforce CPQ implementation is right for your business? Don't worry, Cloudonology is a leading Salesforce CPQ implementation partner and here is your helping guide. Our passionate Salesforce CPQ software expert will guide you on how Salesforce CPQ implementation can solve the most complicated business challenges by bridging the gap between pre-sales and post-sales to streamline even the most complex sales and quoting scenarios. Get in touch with Salesforce CPQ now.